Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on story replies on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Story replays allows you to engage with subscriber and with your friends and have meaningful conversation around the stories you post. If you are signed into the app using the brand's username, when you look at your story management page, you will see the previews of story replies from subscriber or friends. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to turn off this feature, turn off the story replies on your Snapchat. But now, what if you want to turn this on again? Maybe you just accidentally turned this off and you want to turn this on again. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to your public profile. You can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner in here. There is an option show public story replies. So when someone view a story on your Snapchat, they can see the story replies. You can also edit the muted words in here. So view reply from followers on your public story. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on the story reply on Snapchat story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.